We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Cecil with Onyx Imaging. Today we have an HP 6040 multifunction with a finisher. One of the common problems people have is paper jams. I'm going to show you various locations to look for jams. Most of the time on the display it'll guide you to where to find it, but sometimes it's just not where it says it is. So most commonly you want to open and check your paper trays. If it tells you it's in that tray, a lot of times you'll have to reach underneath, sometimes maybe even remove the tray to remove the jam. A lot of times that's caused by dirty or worn rollers. Always welcome to give us a call if you need help with that. Next location, a lot of times where your jams are going to be on the right hand door. So we're going to go over here, there's a handle, and it opens like this. Most times it'll be around the fuser or just where it's starting to come out of the paper pad. One of the little more subtle ones that if you are having a jam that you can't find on this machine is the good old bridge that goes to the finishing unit. A lot of people don't see this to open, and we have a jam message on our screen now, and this handle here is how you open that bridge, and lo and behold, here's our culprit. So now that we've got this out, the day is saved and your 6040 will be back up and running. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.